Hi everyone, this is Maria. Today we're gonna talk about roofs in Revit. Revit has different tools to create roofs. So if we go to Architecture and on the Build tab, you can click on Roof and you may see that you have three options for creating roofs. First, you have the roof by footprint, and as we can see on the demo, is just a sketch to which you can apply different slopes to any of its lines. So for me, you can create different types of roofs. You can create a gable roof, you can create a hip roof, you can create just a flat roof. So this tool is very powerful, I believe. So let's see what I have created. This is just a simple one side roof, and if we go to edit footprint, you may see this is just a rectangle and I have defined the slope in here, which means that the roof will start from here. This is going to be the base. We can change this to 10, for example, to be slider, and let's click OK, and we can see this slope roof, but maybe we can change the slope. We can change this to be not here but in the opposite line, and the roof is going to be created on the other side. All right, I just went back and now we're going to go back to architecture and let's see about the roof by extrusion is the one that it's created by extruding a profile. So you can create curves, roofs, or maybe with straight lines, but you can create a custom profile. And if you see the one that I created here, you may see that this is just a gable roof, and if we edit the profile, you can go to an elevation that it's parallel to the roof, and you can see that it's just a line, it's just a profile of the roof, and the rest is going to be this package of materials. You can see on structure which materials and layers is going to have this roof. So this is going to go beneath these lines, and let's click OK. So this is very straightforward. That's not too much complexity on here. You can change the extrusion start and extrusion end with these arrow lines. You can add a fascia depth or a rafter cut. So you can create profiles with curved lines or straight lines with this tool. You should try it out. And now we're going to check the other type of roof. Let's click on roof by face. And if we see on this demo, this roof is created after a mass phase. So you have to create first a massing shape. For me, it's very specific and maybe it's not the most used element, but let's see the one that I have created. This shape can be created with an extrusion type of roof, but you can see if we go to massing and if we turn this on, which is the mask from which I create this roof, you can see that this is an offset of this face here. And if I would like to, I could create a roof based on this other curve. Let's try this out. Go to architecture, roof by face. And if we click on, we go to select and we click on here, you can create a roof from this line. Finally, we can create different types of elements for the roofs. And if we go here, you can see that you have a soffit tool, a fascia, and a gutter tool. And it's very straightforward as well. You can click on soffit and select the base level. And we are going to create this roof line, which is the base of our room in this case. And you just have to draw the shape. We can see, you can create here, and let's click OK, and on the 3D we can see how it has been created. Then you can create a fascia. Let's go to roof and just click on the face that you want to create the fascia. In this case we should create the top line. OK, And finally, you can create as well a gutter. So if we click on this wall, in this line, sorry, you can see that this common gutter has been created. I'm not going to go further on this, but it's just for you to know that you can create and customize these types of elements, and you can create a very complete roof with all of its elements and shapes. Alright guys, that will be all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more content that I will be uploading very soon. Bye bye.